Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by making access easier. Power off the iPhone and keep it flat. Once done, gently warm the protector for 10-20 seconds. This softens adhesive and reduces cracking. Then, use a fingernail, a plastic pick, or a strong piece of tape to lift a corner. Pry only a millimeter at a time so shards don't spread. You do this because slow, controlled lift isolates the broken area and prevents glass dust from cutting you or sticking to the phone. Now continue by peeling the protector at a low angle and steady speed. Pulling flat causes less stress and removes adhesive evenly. If the protector shatters as you pull, press a single piece of tape over the fragments and lift them together. This keeps tiny shards contained. As you go, make sure to dab the edges with microfiber and use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge particles, because a clean surface prevents scratching and ensures the new protector will adhere properly. Finish by cleaning the bare screen with 70% plus isopropyl on a lint-free cloth to remove oil and adhesive. Wipe in one direction and let it evaporate. Inspect closely for any tiny glass bits or sticky residue. If you see any, repeat cleaning so nothing traps air under the new protector. Finally, in a dust-free area, align the replacement, set one edge, then press from the center outward to expel bubbles. If lifting occurs or debris appears, lift gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.